project for today is removing all the teak trim so that we can sand and repaint the header. So it's just showing some watermarks and whatnot from, you know, decades of use. So we're gonna freshen it up. Wish us luck. There. It's kind of naked with all the trim work removed. Making sweet progress. The difference in painting it a brighter white instead of that antique white is it's gonna brighten up, you know, the cabin of our boat. All this will be nice and bright white. You won't be able to see the different changes in color tones. This is probably the third time it's been painted by looking at the layers.
Wendy, give me the name. It's me. W-E-N-D-I. That's me. Text me, Wendy. I apologize.
See how much nicer it looks.
I am so happy that I get to give away Metallica tickets while I am.
My baby's the painter and I'm the canvas.
Training, Baltimore Orioles.
I'm really excited about this getting painted. I'm really excited about this getting painted. Now it's really brightening it up in here. I mean, do a shot of like where it's not been freshly painted versus painted is so obvious. And this is only one coat. It's gonna be even better.
We got our toasty little stove going in the background.
Yeah, it's sleeting outside, but we're nice and warm inside painting. Well, I'm painting. Brian's done a lot of painting. He messy.
Our bee berth is messy. You can't even get in back there. It's a mountain of junk back there, but it's not junk.
Man,
But
there's still sleet coming in.
yeah, our hatch is leaking. We found out. So it's next on the repair list, I suppose.